Hey guys, guess what? Yesterday was my birthday and I have this beautiful friend who's just arrived at my house. There she is with my present. Guess what my present is? My present is a beehive. She's bringing me a beehive. Check. She's got a whole suit on and everything.
Here we go.
Here comes the hive.
There's going to be a trail of bees left behind him. So
Mustn't walk behind.
no. Rather just stay far away.
There's my beehive.
It's going to pollinate your veggies.
We've got lots of bees. Are the other bees going to be jealous?
No.
So she's bringing a full hive and an empty hive to lure the bees that we already have inside the empty hive. So we're going to have two beehives.
Bee looks so
We're
confused.
going to have our own honey.
This is a hive box that I have modified to be a catch box. It's just got 3 frames in it and a lure. Okay? This is what I'm going to lure them with. It's brood. Well, it's drawn comb actually with leftover honey in it. Okay. So let's hope they find that attractive. And then there's 3 frames in there. The rest of the hive is blanked off. And I've reduced the entrance. So hopefully some bees will find it attractive enough to come and live here.
And they don't mind coming to things on the ground. I thought they liked going high up.
Yeah, when they swarm they do go high. But it's down low for my benefit.
Okay.
Because I can't work in something that's high up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's not going to get a queen excluder because we just want to attract the brood in there. And the brick on top. It's got foundation wax and there's 2 frames that are wet in there that's full of honey.
Okay. And then the bees are going to go out and then go back in again?
Yeah, the honey will keep them in there and then they're going to start drawing comb and that's the honey that we're going to have.
Okay. Oh, that's exciting.
You get 1/3 and I get 2/3.
Okay. That's fine with me. That's beautiful.
Recorded.
And it's going to be non-GMO organic?
Yes. No.
Because there's enough
Herbicides,
flowers
no
here.
pesticides.
There's no pesticides anywhere.
Good.
It'll be nice, honey. We've got our beehive and she's about to open the beehive. She's opening the beehive. The bees are going to swarm up, so we have to just be careful.
Okay. Thank you.
Mustn't get stung, guys. Yay! Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
That's the best
my
birthday
beautiful friend.
present in the whole world. That's so cool.
Okay.
Non-GMO honey, guys.
Right.
Pow.